Come on, Zoneguard work.
Forecasts include all precipitation through 8 a.m. today, plus the effects of projected precipitation.
This is NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of the National Weather Service. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning and alarm for transmitted in the Florida listening area, originating from Ruskin, Florida. This was also a test of the same system or specific area messaging code. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. in the evening, unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming.
These are the 10 a.m. observations for the local area on Wednesday, July 28th.
At Sarasota Bradenton Airport.